What is going on, guys? I'm Tex here. Today I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to download any tweaked apps or games for free without any jailbreak. It works 100%. If you want to know how to download any tweaked app or games, stick around to the video. So guys, the first thing we have to do is you're gonna go to your setting and you're gonna click your Wi-Fi. After you're on your Wi-Fi, you're gonna click the icon right here and you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna click the proxy, and make sure you put the proxy on automatic and make sure you enter this URL. Make sure you put this URL, the link will be in the description. Just copy paste it right here and click save. After you do that, all you're gonna do is just go to any browser and search up coconutx.com. The link will be in the description. Just go there and download it. Go there and click install, and something pop up like this. Just click install one more time. It should be installing. It's right here. Coconutx is pretty fast when downloading. Like, just wait. It's untrusted developer. If you want to trust the app, all you're gonna do is just go to your setting and you're gonna scroll down. You're gonna click general. You're gonna scroll down one more time. Just wait. Right here, just wait a little bit. Right here, click device management, and you're gonna click the second one or the first one, or click trust. If you don't do this, the app is not going to work. Now all you're gonna do is just go to the coconutx app, let it reload, just a few seconds, and when you scroll down, there's a lot of tweaked apps like Uncover, Minecraft for free, Spotify plus, OnlyFans and everything right here. There is some ads, just ignore that. If you want, ignore the ads. And this pretty much how you do it, guys. If this works for you, let me know in the comment section. If this helped you out, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and peace.